grabbed his ass in an attempt to pull his cock even deeper. I need a beverage. I can't speak. Cranberry lemonade. Good of you to join us. Thank you for coming. She grabbed his ass in an I have put a lot of hours into being cute, not sexy, so this whole voice thing that's happening, it's not jiving. We're not cool with this. I'm not cool with this. This is... No, stop while you're doing it. Stop. Stop. That's the brand. Cute. Okay? Vocal cords? Get it together. Let's be a team. Who am I talking to? Listen, just like 5'6". That's not bad. It's not bad. Like, you're not like teeny tiny. It's like pockets, fun size. It's like fun size. It's like a fun size candy bar. You just tuck them in your little pocket. Take them with you. It's, yeah, travel size. Travel size 6. Bet you can fit in an airplane bathroom.